Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create profile backlink on Trello. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a profile backlink on Trello can help enhance your profile's visibility and provide a way to showcase your work or direct users to other relevant content or platforms. It's a very straightforward and easy process because all you're gonna do once you are here on the Trello platform, I need you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile. Okay? Click on the Trello profile and visibility. Once you've done that, you would be able to see your username here and add a bio. Now, what I'm going to do is switch to our Andy's Guides YouTube channel. Now, please, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and like our videos because we upload content every single day. That's for you guys. Now, if you click the subscribe button, you would be getting the latest content here in our channel. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include the links to our portfolio, of course, to showcase our work, which we are very proud, and achievements to anyone who views our Trello boards or cards. Of course, that would direct traffic to our online profiles or websites, and that's going to be the Andy's YouTube channel, increasing the chances of gaining more followers, clients, or collaborators. So please hit the subscribe button, guys. It's not going to hurt. Now, I'm going to copy all of these and switch over to the, maybe until here, and switch over to the Trello. Now I'm going to paste all of it here, maybe press enter. Check the information is correct. Okay. And then once I'm happy with it, all I'm gonna do is click on save. It's very easy, right? Once you have saved that, creating profile backlinks on Trello helps enhance your visibility, streamline access to resources, and of course, it supports professional networking and branding efforts. By strategically using backlinks, you can improve how you present yourself and work with the others. All right? You can also use URL shorteners or tracking tools. In this case, this one you can use this, for example. Copy that, and one of them is tiny URL. Of course, I'm going to put in Andy's guide and shorten URL so that it's a lot easier for me to put that in the Trello boards. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.